Hi guys, this is Scoodle Oyster. Welcome back to another episode of Lollipop Chainsaw. So the last video we did finish off the Funk Center, defeating the funky zombie and saving our little sister. Right now I'm wanting to make sure I get I save all the students. Like I save all the students in the stadium, the farm, and the center. I feel like I'm missing some students over in the high school. So we're gonna go back into high school and see if we can find all the students. I feel like we're missing like half of them. I'm pretty sure we're gonna have to end up fighting
Oh, come on! What the fuck is going on here?
like fighting the Zed
It's making
zombie
me dizzy!
again.
We'll pick up some antacids later, Nick. Right now we have to kill these guys.
Another stupid zombie?
Oh, we don't have our gun? Oh, that is BS.
Something exploded. What the hell was that?
Alright. Does that mean we have our...
Hey, it's Mr. Fitzgibbon.
This kind of math sucks.
Ow.
Uh-oh. Stop it!
Fuck yeah.
Impressive!
I was hoping I would have got all 7 of them. Alright. Damn it. Keep pressing the wrong button.
What's this? A bomb?
That's royally effed up.
Leave me alone! Get away! Help!
Save the student, save the student. Ow! I got 4? Okay.
Let's go hang out after school.
Is he considered one, or I feel like I'm...
I fucked up my math test. I need help.
I've got shit running down my legs from the fear.
I'm drooling.
Hey, it's Mr. Fitzgibbon again.
Is she still around? Oh no, she died. So she does
He
die.
gave me a D last week. Kill
over
him.
here.
Wow!
Loving it.
Sweet!
Whoops, wrong button.
Taste my chainsaw neck!
Fuck. I think that zombie seriously had dynamite.
Why would somebody do that?
Stay back! That'll make the 5 o'clock news.
This zombie might work. Hey, Nick! We need to break through that wall. Can you give me a hand?
Yeah, right. I don't have a hand to give.
Well, not yet, but that spell I cast on you gives you some magical powers.
What?
Like maybe I can connect you to this zombie's body and you can temporarily use it.
Huh?
Just like this. 2, 3, 4.
Whoa. Whoa. This feels weird. I'm blue and stuff.
Nick, look! If I use this ticket, I can totally use your cool powers.
Whatever, dude.
Check this out! Well...
Let's go save our students.
It's a party!
Man, oh man.
Cool!
Ow.
You're late, Juliet.
Oh, great. Those jerks trapped us in here.
How lame. Incredible!
Got to a 5, but so far we haven't gotten to a 7 yet.
Thanks a lot! What's the deal, dude?
Zombie cop. Fucking lame.
Oh,
A zombie with a
they're
gun?
marked with,
No fair!
Ow. So they are marked with names, so we can keep track of them.
So bad.
Just getting some more medals for us.
No!
Oh man. Their bodies are wrapped with bombs.
We need to hit him and run away before they explode! Fun!
How was that fun?
Awesome! Ah! Oh my god!
What the heck is this?
So far, I haven't seen anything that. I'm pretty sure like 3 of the students. Here's a student. But that student dies, so that's going to be a sucky part.
Okay! Perfect! Your goal!
she lives?
Those zombies totally pulled my underwear up my butt.
Whoa! Oh, watch out!
Okay. So I need to get fast enough to save them.
Yeah.
So delicious.
Okay. So good thing is that that other girl has
What
survived.
those jerks did to our school.
Yeah, but
So,
it does get me out of my
I need
calculus
to-
homework on Friday.
I think those other 3 students over here, we should get that with the bombs. We should be able to save them now.
I'll be back for you!
Uncool, asshole!
So these are the 3 students we gotta. Hopefully, gives us a full 8. Get on the pole. Before checking, gotta get
I
that.
got video. I'm gonna post this shit on YouTube.
I'm alive.
Awesome, we
Have you seen
got
my
all
lip gloss?
8. Alright, that's a good thing we got all 8. I'm gonna skip ahead for us and see where. So we're good. We got all 8. We got all the students from the previous other, I believe all the other levels. But I'm gonna skip ahead real quick for you guys. Be right back. Just wanted to put up on the menu. So far we got everyone, all the students. So there was one student on. He was getting cornered by 2 bomb vested zombies, but we already got him. So he already counts the last video we did. So the prologue we got 3, and the school now we got full blown 8. And then the stage 2, I believe that's the stadium. We got 4. I believe stage 3 is the farm, and then we just got that one person. And then stage 3 is just the person that those 3 people we've saved from the Funk Town. And then stage 5 we have to find those 2. And then I believe we should get the good ending. All right, so I'm gonna skip ahead again, and then I'll be right back. Hi guys. So basically, we saved all the students in the school in the stage 1. We also got a better score, so that's a really good thing. I mean, the completion time, it's still a setback. I don't know how to get it. I mean, get us going that faster, honestly. So we did have to fight Zed again. So what we're going to do is that no, we're not going to go there. We're going to. No, don't tell me I have to fight him again. Serious? I have to fight him again? Hold on. I do. That is stupid. Okay. Hold on, guys. Alright, so I had to complete that level again. Just to make sure that... I guess it went back to not being completed for some reason. So we redid the Funk Center, and it's gone. And what's the leaderboard? The ranking still the same, honestly. Time to clear story. The dad cleared the story in 11 minutes and 4 seconds. Well, that's kind of BS there. Alright, so we'll be more likely I'm just going to end the video here for small things, since now we know we got everything taken care of. I know it's going to be a small video. Kind of want to give you guys more time on this another video to where we get to experience everything. I mean, I could have played bits and pieces on redoing all that, but at least we got a chance to get all the students from the high school, so we should be okay. So I'm gonna end the video here, and I will see you guys on the next level. Later.